Good morning, everyone. Welcome to LG World Premiere. It's a great honor to stand here today as the new CEO of LG Electronics. Over the past years, the world has changed dramatically. But one thing has become more clear. Innovation only matters when it truly makes our lives better. The home is the place we know best. But for AI, it is one of the hardest places to understand because every home is different. Each one reflects its own habits, culture, and emotions. For AI to truly help us, it must understand these differences and learn to adapt by itself.
Appliances made housework easier, but easy doesn't guarantee better results. When the order is wrong, when the temperature is off, when easy turns into a mess. So we started to rethink what really matters. Less physical effort matters, but doing it right takes thinking. If a cold kept you tossing and turning last night, we already know what you'll need today. We know how your morning begins with a light Costa Rican coffee. On busy mornings, breakfast happens on the move. No matter your condition, no matter your age, life shouldn't feel harder. Not replacing what you do. A home that thinks and cares. This is what we call a zero-labor home.
The AI home will evolve into advanced service platform that provides personalized care and safety. A truly AI-powered home must work as one orchestrated system. Devices, solutions, and works together as one. And this also applies to robots. At LG, we see home robots as home specialized agents. They are designed for the home, and they will become a natural part of our most personal space. Without extra input from users, our robot will be able to sense, decide, and create the best environment on their own. LG will take the next step with new solutions, including space-driven robots.
It's the all-new Wallpaper TV. It's the world's thinnest, true wireless OLED TV, packed into an ultra-thin 9mm class form factor. No visible cables, no clutter, thanks to LG's true wireless tech. It's the world's first wireless at 165 Hertz. And the upgraded Zero Connect box, now 35% smaller. And the Wallpaper TV performance is proven through LG's new Hyper Radiant color tech. This technology enables the Wallpaper TV to be 3.9 times brighter, delivering perfect black and perfect color, further enhanced by LG's new reflection-free premium technology. Now, what makes this all possible is LG's newly upgraded dual AI engine-based Alpha 11 processor Gen 3. Its neural processing unit is 5.6 times faster than its predecessor, with 50% more CPU power and a 70% GPU boost. Pairing it with LG SoundSuite, the world's first soundbar audio system powered by Dolby Atmos Flex Connect on the Alpha 11 AI processor, allows you to create up to 50 combinations and build as you want. Starting this year, LG AI TVs integrate industry-leading Google Gemini and Microsoft CoPilot for a more in-depth multi-AI ecosystem. On the LG AI Magic Remote, there's an AI button. Let's say you're curious about what you're watching. Whatever's on display, simply run a search, and AI Concierge overlays relevant information. And this feature is available for live broadcasts and feeds from set-top boxes. My Page Voice ID recognizes individual users, giving family members a personalized AI dashboard tailored to preference and viewing history.
The newly updated LG Signature series brings AI innovation into the kitchen as well. The LG Signature Smart InstaView refrigerator features two large OLED displays on either door. Its built-in camera, which supports the Think You Food feature, identifies what's on hand to guide users with optimal storage options as well as recipe suggestions. When it comes to cooking, the LG Signature oven range, also with a built-in camera, uses gourmet AI to recognize dishes and suggest over 85 optimal cooking modes. Plus, it lets us know when it's done.
Welcome home.
Hey, CLOiD. Nasty weather we're having out there. You mind taking this wet towel from me?
Sure, I'll get the laundry started. Let me show everyone what I can do.
So this is CLOiD's first big-time press conference. And I know he wants to impress everybody out there. I did remind him earlier, we are America's most reliable lineup of home appliances. So really, no matter what happens here, I know my laundry's going to come out great.
I facilitate convenience and comfort by orchestrating devices and spaces to manage chores, like toasting your croissant just the way you like it, clearing the dishes after meals, and keeping your day flowing smoothly. What powers motor movement are actuators. LG's actuators are a finely engineered integration of motors, gears, and control systems that seamlessly function to deliver smooth, balanced, precision movements.
Our goal for CLOiD is simple yet ambitious: to make life effortless by performing complex chores, to enrich activities to make them even more enjoyable, and to expand assistance beyond everyday life.
We're proud to announce that LG's AI-powered in-vehicle solutions was presented with the prestigious Best Innovation in the in-vehicle entertainment category this year. An advanced in-cabin sensing system powered by LG AI. It tracks your eyes, recognizes gestures, and understands your needs and intentions in real time as it delivers technology that anticipates, responds, and enriches every moment of your journey. The dashboard instantly switches from a monotonous 2D display to an immersive 3D interface that's both dynamic and intuitive. For those in the passenger seat, the interaction is equally smart. Spot an intriguing billboard, swipe down, and 3D product information springs to life on the display, enabling end-to-end retail capabilities. Again, with just a simple swipe, the interface expands from the center information display onto the windshield itself, augmenting essential information ranging from real-time traffic light countdowns, lane guidance, and even navigation cues directly onto the road ahead. When you drive autonomously, your travel experience transforms entirely. A lengthy, monotonous tunnel comes to life as a soothing and engaging digital forest. Cherry blossoms drift in harmony as magic music is played to calm one's mind.
Staying true to our life's good promise, LG Affectionate Intelligence will genuinely improve everyday life and enable everyone to live better, more meaningful lives.